Welcome to my video about Lebanon. Did you know that Lebanon is one of the oldest countries in the whole world, with a history which goes back thousands of years? Today, I will take you to a journey to learn more about Lebanon's unique culture, traditions, and way of life. Let's get started. Lebanon is a small country located in the Middle East, right along the Mediterranean Sea. Its capital is Beirut, also called the Paris of the Middle East. Lebanon has a rich history, from the ancient Phoenicians to becoming an independent country in 1943. Lebanese food is famous all over the world. Some popular dishes include tabbouleh, a salad made with parsley, tomato, and barol, and hummus, a creamy dip made from chickpeas. For breakfast, people love to eat manouche, a flat bread topped with thyme, cheese, or even meat. Lebanese clothing is a mix of traditional and modern style. In villages, people might wear beautiful embroidered dresses, while in cities, fashion is influenced by Europe. Lebanon is full of exciting traditions and festivals. One popular dance is the Dabke, where people dance in a line holding hands. There are also many religious celebrations like Ramadan and Christmas, where families come together and enjoy delicious feasts. Lebanese art and music are amazing. The oud, traditional string instrument, is used in many songs, and mosaic art can be found in all buildings and churches across the country. I hope you enjoyed learning about Lebanon's culture, from its delicious food to its vibrant tradition. Lebanon is truly a special place. Thank you for watching. If you ever get the chance to visit Lebanon, make sure to explore its rich culture and beautiful landscapes. Ma salama!